Good day everyone, I am Crystal Jane Transition.
I am Cedric Bulgalon.
Hi, I'm Zayardin Dalila.
My name is Sean Martisime Doranda, and our topic for today is simple interest.
So, our objectives: first, define simple interest. Second, compute simple interest, maturity value, and present value. And third, solve problems involving simple interest. So, simple interest, it is the interest charged on the principal alone for the entire duration or period denoted as T of the loan or investment at a particular rate denoted as R. After the term of the loan or investment, the maturity value or future value denoted as F is computed by getting the sum of the principal and the interest due. Ito po ang formula na ating gagamitin kapag tayo ay kukuha ng simple interest. Where I is simple interest, P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest or simply rate, and time is the time but in year. Kung simple interest naman po ang ating kukuhanin or isa-solve, ang gagamitin po nating formula ay I is equals to P times R times T. Kapag principal amount naman po, ang ating kukuhanin na gagamitin po nating formula ay P is equals to I over R times T. At kapag rate naman po, ang ating kukuhanin, ang gagamitin po nating formula ay R is equals to I or the interest over P times T. Kapag time naman po, ang ating kukuhanin or is-solve, ang gagamitin po nating formula ay T is equals to I over P times R.
Eman deposits a 150 pesos in his bank with a 2,000 pesos of interest for 5 years. What is the rate of his loan? So our given is with an interest of 2,000 pesos, a principal value of 150 pesos, and a time for 5 years. Considering that our formula is rate is equal to I over P and T. Our I is a 2,000 pesos. Our P is the principal value, which is the 150 pesos, and the time is 5 years. Now that we know our given, we will now solve our problem. So our formula is R equals I over P and T. Our I is 2,000 pesos. Don't forget the peso sign. Our principal value is the 150,000 times the time, which is 5 years. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is to multiply these two, which is the 150,000 pesos times 5. We are going to use a calculator. Times 5 is equal to 750,000. Now, we are going to divide the 2,000 pesos and the 750,000. So, we are going to get so we have 2.6, which is our rate. So we have now find our rate, two point which is 2.6 per cent. But sometimes the outcome has a different is different. So when erase it. So sometimes when you divide it into a different calculator, the outcome will be 0.0026, which is a decimal. For rate, we need a percentage. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply it by 100. So we can have a 2.6% of the outcome, which is our rate. Therefore, our rate is 2.6%. And that's all. Thank you.
These are one of the example of solving simple interest. The problem is, Mara received 18,000 pesos as interest after 3 years on an investment at an interest rate of 6% per minimum. What was the principal amount? The formula that we are going to use is P is equals to I over R times T. I is equals to 18,000 pesos. Rate is equals to 6% and time is equals to 3 years. Let's solve the problem. P is equals to 18,000 pesos over now let's convert 6% to decimal. The formula is 6 divided by 100. So the answer is 0.06. P is equals to 18,000 over 0.06 times 3 years. Sunod po natin gawin ay pag-multiply ang 0.06 sa 3 years. Ang answer po ay 0.18. ₱18,000 over 0.18. Po natin gawin ay i-divide ang 18,000 pesos sa 0.18. Ang magiging answer po natin ay 100,000 pesos. So, ang final answer po natin ay 1,000 per...
Jane borrowed 20,000 pesos at an interest rate of 15% per minimum for 3 years. How much interest will pay? So now, this is the given for problem number 3. Principal is equal to 120,000 pesos. Rate is equal to 15% or 0.15. Time is equal to 3 years. These are the formula for problem number 3. Interest equal to principal times rate times time. So ngayon, isasolve naman natin ang simple interest. 120,000 times 0.15 times 3. So, ang uunahin muna nating isolve ay yung 0.15 times 3. So, ang equal is 0.45. Then, 120,000 pesos times 0.45 is equal to 54,000 pesos.
So, Marie borrowed a 5,000 pesos to her friend with a rate of 5% and interest of 1,000. How many months does it take to pay her friend? Formula natin is ito. So, T is equals to I divided by P times R. So, yan. Ang pagsosolve niyan kasi is, ayusin muna natin yung format niya. So, T equals 1,000 divided by 5,000 times 0.05. So, ang una natin yung gagawin is yung pag-times natin. 5,000 times 0.05. So, ang sagot niya is 250. So, next naman is yung 1,000 divided by 250. So, ang sagot niya is 4 or 4 years. So, times natin sa 12, magiging 48 months siya. So, kung paano natin nakuha to, dapat yung 48 months na yon is i-convert siya sa years. So, may nakalagay naman dito para mag-guide kayo. So, T is equals to 4 years. Yan ang final answer natin. So, diba kanina 48 months siya, dapat convert it from months to years. So, yun ang sagot niya doon. Ang time natin is 4 years.